Hey guys, we're at Frozen Toe, sitting by the fire, same old fire pit. We're kicking back here, beautiful. We were here last night, started to rain, then it started to snow. We're sitting here, we had a great time, man. Slept in our hot tent. It's just beautiful. Real nice, real nice. Little squirrel cooker there. My buddy's off sleeping over there, and a little hooch over there. That's where he'll be sleeping. There's my little hooch there. Beaver pelt. My arrows. Made that quiver, trapped that beaver. One of the bows I made. But yeah, it's just gorgeous, man. You know. But yeah. Yeah, it's Queen Eskimo. Enjoying nature. Look forward to it, man. The dog's pulling on your butt trying to get out of the house so we can come up here and do this. And I'm glad you're with me. And we're having a heck of a time, man. It's beautiful. It's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Maybe a little colder up here. That's what the town says. But a little breezy today. Tomorrow should be nice. But we got the snow. That's what we want. So, take it easy, man. Yes, sir. Got plenty of wood. This is some of the wood that I split that time I came up in one of my videos. Cooking on the Esbit stove. It's paying off now. Alright. Rat shack down there in the distance. Take it easy, man. Bye-bye.